हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। देखिए अपने वीडियो का टाइटल तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा, इसलिए आज मैं स्कैम्स इन इंडिया या भारत में घोटाले के बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूं। तो बेसिकली ड्यू टू many of youngsters are becoming jobless these days, companies can't work like before, so they are eliminating some of the workers from the company without giving any reasonable explanation। क्योंकि अब नौकरी नहीं है और उन्हें अब भी अपने दिन प्रतिदिन के जीवन में धन की आवश्यकता होती है, तो इस स्थिति के कारण कई युवाओं ने निर्दोष लोगों का कमाया हुआ कमाई को लूटना और धोखाधड़ी करना शुरू कर दिया है। So today I am gonna talk about some tips you should follow and how to know whether you are talking to a scammer or not, or how to deal with them। हर स्कैम आपके दिन प्रतिदिन के कामकाजी ऐप्स या वेबसाइट से संबंधित होता है, जिसका आप दैनिक आधार पर उपयोग करते हैं। उदाहरण के लिए आपका बैंकिंग ऐप जैसे पेटीएम, गूगल पे, भीम या आपकी बैंकिंग वेबसाइट। फिशिंग का उपयोग करके या रिमोट प्रवेश के लिए टीमव्यूअर का उपयोग करके अपने पीसी या लैपटॉप का निजी डेटा चुराएं और मिनटों के भीतर अपना बैंक बैलेंस खाली कर देते हैं। So always remember what are the process you should follow and what necessary documents you should never share with anyone, because banks also give you warnings about never share your personal information with anyone like bank account details, credit debit card details or Aadhaar card details। Even when some fraudster or scammer who act like a bank employee of your bank and ask you to share your personal information with them on a phone call or through email, never share any person details with them, because first of all, banks don't ask for your personal details like CVV or card details, they already have it, so why ask again? So without wasting your time, मेरा नाम विवेक है और आप देख रहे हैं टेक्सॉस हिंदी। Let's get started। So let's talk about what kind of scams are there in India। तो चलिए बात करते हैं कि भारत में किस तरह के घोटाले होते हैं। 1. पेटीएम KYC स्कैम्स और गूगल पे, फोन पे, भीम पेटीएम QR कोड स्कैम। 2. OLX स्पीड पोस्ट स्कैम। 3. बैंक स्कैम्स। 4. यूट्यूब एड स्कैम। 5. फेक कॉपीराइट क्लेम और स्ट्राइक स्कैम। 6. KBC फ्रॉड। 7. इंश्योरेंस स्कैम। 8. IRA स्कैम, इंटरनल रेवेन्यू सर्विसेज। 9. Amazon, Flipkart fake product scam or exchange offer scam। And the list goes on and on। So these are the scams which are operated from India and affect more than 80% of the world through online scams। यह तो हो गया स्कैम किस टाइप के हो रहे हैं इंडिया में। अब बात करते हैं कि स्कैम से बचा कैसे जाए और क्या क्या प्रोसीजर जो है आपको फॉलो करने चाहिए ताकि आप इन चक्रों में ना फंसे। तो नंबर 1 पे है पेटीएम KYC स्कैम। Scammers have been using Paytm KYC as a means to dupe those users who can be easily deceived or fooled for quite some time। The message claims that your EKYC document has expired and the Paytm service will expire within 24 hours unless you call them back to reactivate it on the given phone number। So, what is this scam about? After seeing this message, if you happen to dial the given number to verify your KYC status, then the chances of your getting scammed increases। Someone claiming to be a customer service officer or Paytm KYC executive will receive your call। The caller will then try to scare you by saying that your bank, card or Paytm account will be blocked if you don't download remote access apps like AnyDesk or TeamViewer to verify your KYC status। Sometimes, the caller may even threaten you to download the app। After downloading any of the remote desktop apps, the fraud caller simply needs the remote access desk code and so will ask for it। Once you give the 9-digit or 10-digit code to the fraud customer care executive, the fraud caller will get to see your mobile screen on his PC and he can even record it। Through these apps, whatever you do, your mobile screen automatically gets recorded on the PC of the fraud caller। The moment you do any online transaction from UPI, Paytm, mobile banking, the credentials get stolen। As the fraudster can see whatever you are doing on the mobile, the moment you type the ID password of the banking or UPI app, the fraudster simply notes it down। यह सलाह दी जाती है कि किसी भी रिमोट डेस्कटॉप ऐप्स को बिना समझे कि वे कैसे काम करते हैं डाउनलोड ना करें। इसके अलावा कभी भी एडिशनल ऐप्स डाउनलोड ना करें जो किसी भी कस्टमर केयर या सपोर्ट एग्जीक्यूटिव आपको करने के लिए कह सकते हैं। So as authentic customer care executives will never ask anyone to download apps or send codes, passwords or any other information। What you must know about the KYC process of Paytm। Paytm KYC can only be completed only at authorized KYC points or by a Paytm representative at your doorstep। Any SMS sent by Paytm regarding KYC will only have a link to fix appointments with our KYC agents or find the nearby KYC points। Paytm full KYC can only be completed by having a face-to-face meeting with our agent at an authorized KYC point। Paytm will never call you and ask you to install any app। If you remember these points, you will be safe from any scam related to KYC. Now जो second type का scam होता है वो है QR code scam, which is related to all online payment apps like Google Pay, Bheem, Paytm and PhonePe. QR code scams. The fraudster will reach out to you or engage you in a conversation as a buyer and will share a QR code to pay advance token amount. Alert: इस तरह से स्कैन ना करें क्योंकि यह आपके खाते से पैसे डेबिट हो जाएगा. Please refer the screenshots to save yourself from this type of fraud. The fraudster will create a QR code with a high amount and will share it with you through WhatsApp, email or other platforms as shown. If the user shares the QR code through WhatsApp, then the message will look something like this. After sharing the QR code, the user will ask you to select Scan QR Code option on the app and select QR code from photo gallery. After scanning the QR code from photo gallery, you will be asked to proceed with the payment. After clicking on Proceed, you will be asked to enter your UPI PIN and money will be deducted from your account. Every online payment app urges you to never scan any QR code or enter UPI PIN to receive payments from other users. Fraudsters misuse the request feature on UPI by sending fake payment requests with messages like, enter your UPI PIN to receive money, payment successful, receive Rs, X, etc. You need to enter PIN only for sending money. Do not pay or enter your UPI PIN to receive money. Do not share card number, expiry date, PIN, OTP, etc. with anyone. Do not download third-party apps such as ScreenShare, AnyDesk, TeamViewer to enable receive payments. Do not search for helpline numbers on Google, Facebook, Twitter. Instead, check the official website. लेकिन अगर आप वास्तव में QR कोड की मदद से पैसे प्राप्त करने का सुरक्षित तरीका चाहते हैं, here is the thing what you should do. पहले QR कोड न लें यदि आप प्राप्तकर्ता या रिसीवर हैं, तो इसके बजाय किसी भी QR कोड को अस्वीकार करें और फिर उन्हें बताएं कि मुझे लगता है कि एक तकनीकी समस्या है. फिर आप अपना स्वयं का QR कोड भेज सकते हैं और यदि वे इसे स्वीकार करते हैं तो आपका काम खत्म हो जाता है. But if they don't are you with your to receive only their QR code, तो वे 100% स्कैमर्स होते हैं और उनसे बात नहीं करना चाहिए और ब्लॉक देम. Number 2. OLX Speed Post Scam. Now how does the scam work? A seller posing as an army or ACISF personnel offers the latest electronic at an astonishingly low price. The fraudster establishes his credentials with pictures of an Aadhaar card and an army canteen pass. The fraudster then says that he is posted at a city airport and will not be able to deliver the package in person. The fraudster suggests posting the product through the Army Postal Service and asks for an advance payment and a security deposit to be made through Paytm. The courier delivery boy calls, saying he is in the vicinity and insists that the remaining amount has to be paid through Paytm before he delivers the product. Once the full amount is paid, either the seller's phone is unreachable or he brazenly refuses to deliver the product, citing a GST amount that is still due to him. Even if you pay the GST after all that hassle, they will not deliver you the product because it's a scam after all. अब यह तो हो गया कि स्पीड पोस्ट घोटाला कैसे काम करता है और पूरे सिनेरियो या प्रक्रिया को याद रखें क्योंकि यह आपके साथ भी हो सकता है. अब आपको एक्चुअली करना क्या चाहिए? First, do a face-to-face deal or a video chat and also tell them to send a live location on WhatsApp to confirm their location on a video call to be safe. If they choose video chat, then told them before. If found guilty, this video will be used as evidence against you. In face-to-face deals, there is zero chance of fraud, so scammers will avoid it. And if they choose video chat and don't want to share their live location but they choose to share their Aadhaar card or any other pass which can be fake too, then you can choose to say yes or simply say no to them. Well, I think if they don't share their live location, then say no to them. Now that's how you can deal with the speed post scammers. Number 3. Bank scams. अब इस मामले में फ्रॉडस्टर एक बैंक कर्मचारी की तरह काम करेगा और आपको अपनी KYC जानकारी अपडेट करने के लिए कहेगा या आपको बताएगा कि आपके बैंक खाते में कोई समस्या है और आपको अपने बैंक के साथ भविष्य की किसी भी समस्या से बचने के लिए फोन कॉल पर अपने खाते की जानकारी को अपडेट करने के लिए कहेंगे. Then he can ask such as account number, account holder name, IFSC code, UPI PIN, ATM PIN, card number, card expiry date and CVV number. That's the 3-digit number which in Starlink's case can be found on the right side of the signature strip. Now what you should do? If they told you that you need to update KYC or there is a problem with your bank account, then just go to the nearest bank personally and ask if there is a problem or not, even if you don't want to. What you should never do. You should never share your personal banking details, such as PIN, card number, card expiry date and CVV number, UPI PIN and account number, any other information printed on the card. बस यदि आप इन सभी जानकारियों को याद रखते हैं तो आप सुरक्षित रहेंगे.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आएगी. And if you want a detailed analysis on scams in India, then you can watch YouTubers like Carl Rock or Jim Browning and more others, where you can get quality content and expert advice on ongoing online scam related topics and videos. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो कृपया हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन टू ऑल ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिल सके जैसे ही हम वीडियो अपलोड करें। एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। मैं मिलता हूं आपसे अगली वीडियो में। पार्ट 2 जल्द ही अपलोड होगी। तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर।